Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So it's an energy check in the middle of the month of May 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the mid of May. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And I'm also going to take out your past, present and future energies here. It can be anything in relation with love, finance, career, work, everything it can be. Okay, so let's see what are those energies for you. What are the energies for my Pisces in the middle of the May 2021? What is happening for my Pisces? What is going to happen? What is happening already? Okay, so let's see. Okay, wow. With the back of the deck, we have the Four of Pentacles. Wow. Okay, so Pisces, I feel that you are holding on to something. Okay, this can be your energy, your person's energy as well. It can mean that when we just keep on hold on something, like some kind of a past, some kind of an argument, something we might have fought for, okay, with someone. It also means some material possessions we are holding on to. We are being greedy, we are being like, we are not able to use our money, we are not able to just invest our money for better future. We are holding on to something. It can be material security, it can be your emotions you are holding for. You are feeling something else, but you are not able to express those feelings because you are holding on in your heart, and it is that feeling of just holding on for something. Let's see what is there in the past. The Strength, King of Swords and Justice, strong Leo and Libra energy. So to me it feels like you are in a place in the past where you were really strong. Okay, you have taken a decision very strongly with the Strength and the King of Swords. You have taken a decision with a lot of courage and strength, but was this decision fair enough? Was this decision unfair? That you still don't know. But I really feel that this was a very fair decision only, because with the Pisces, it's always about being fair. Okay, Pisces never judge anyone. It's always like, whatever is happening, it is happening for good. They're always happy with the surroundings. Okay, so what else do we have? It can be also, you might be even, somebody might be even studying for the judge exams or law exams. I feel you might be, this is for someone only. You also are in a place, there was a situation where you might be dealing with some strong like divorce issue, law issues around you, and you have taken a step for that very strongly, that I am going to take a divorce from this person, or I am going to leave this person, so and so, anything. This decision was very strong. Okay, and this might be a decision of leaving someone. This might be, but decision was made in the past. In the present, actions are happening. So Four of Swords, Eight of Cups and the Seven of Wands. So you might be leaving this person or the situation because you are taking your own stand for this, that no, I am right and I know that I am right. So I will not just sit back over here. I will not listen to anyone who is doing wrong to me. So you are moving on from the situation. And if it involves leaving somebody, you are ready to leave that, because you are standing on your grounds and you know that you are right. You are strong. Okay, so that is why you are not letting your grounds fall. In the coming future, we have 10 of Cups with the 6 of Cups and the Judgment card. So I think the decision, whatever decision which you have made and whatever actions you are taking, like moving on from the situation, things are coming towards cycle again. It's like a U-turn which is going to happen. Boomerang kind of a situation. With the 6 of Cups and the 10 of Cups, it's a reconciliation from a past person. With the past person, somebody who is coming back in your life, somebody who is actually coming to talk to you, communicate with you in the coming future. And it makes you feel really happy, and that is why the reason you have hold on for this thing, I think this because of the situation which you have left. This is the person with whom you are leaving, because you are standing on your ground, you are taking care of yourself, you understand your self-worth, and that is why you are leaving the situation. But this person is actually coming towards you in the future, and this person only is connecting with you. See, 10 of Cups with the 6 of Cups. Let's clarify now. Very beautiful reading for my Pisces today. Let's clarify why the 4 of Pentacles is here for my Pisces in the overall energy. Why are they holding on? For what are they holding on? The Emperor. See, this is being stubborn. This is being that it's my way or the highway. This is being like, I am right. And when Emperor is actually, they feel that they are right. Well, this is not your energy, Pisces. This is a strong energy of Aries. I don't know how this energy has come up in you today, but Pisces are really not so stern about something, okay? But when it comes to being stern, yes, it is something like that, okay? With the Emperor, I feel that you are really adamant in something, like, no, I am not going to accept this thing today. No, I have always accepted it. I have always just been lenient with you or with someone, something, but not anymore. I'm holding on to my grounds. I am fighting myself, fighting with you, because I am right, I know that, and I'm not going to entertain you anymore. This is what you are telling to other people, Pisces. Let's see why the Strength, King of Swords, and Justice is here. Strength again. See, so these are your energies, Pisces. This is you, that whatever decision I have made it from my mind, from my heart, everywhere. And now, no going back. You're very strong energies of Pisces today. 4 of Swords, 8 of Cups, and the 7 of Wands. Why are these here? 10 of Cups. See, you know what is the happiness for you. You know the meaning of happiness. You know the meaning of being stable, being happy, being content, and this thing is not happiness, that you know. That is why you are leaving the situation. You might be feeling very emotional for this thing, but you are leaving it for your happiness towards, because you know what is the meaning of that full-on happiness. You know that. Very strong. Okay, again, what is happening in the coming future? Why the 10 of Cups, 6 of Cups, and the Judgment card is here for my Pisces? 3 of Swords. So this can be somebody who is ready to reconcile, but you might put them down, okay? You might, because this is a heartbreaking card. What else? So things are going to become very different, Pisces. The Devil is here. So this might be a karmic bond which you might be ending, and you are not going to enter, because with the 10 of Cups and the 6 of Cups, somebody is coming back and somebody is ready to reconcile, but the Judgment card is telling that decision will be all yours, and this can be your decision. You might not get into this karmic cycle again. You might not entertain this person anymore, because what's done is done. Let me check with the Ace of Wands and the 7 of Cups. Okay, sorry. Okay, so with the Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, and 7 of Cups, the new person, this might be a new person. You might even have a lot of options around you. That is why you are ending the things with this past person, and you might explore new options now. So wow, very different energies of Pisces, not strong Pisces energies. I don't know, you might be having some other signs in your chart as well. Leo, Libra, strong Leo energies. I'm seeing Aries energies. Strong decision-making energies are here. Less of water energies, more of air signs and fire signs over here. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Pisces. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.